Quickly upload your videos to your ScreenPal Hosting account, straight from the video editor. When you're finished creating your video, click the Share button in the top left of the video editor. Click Account to add a ScreenPal account to upload videos to, or to switch to a different account by selecting or adding another ScreenPal email address. Click Title to edit the title of your video before you upload it. Click Quality to select the quality of the video. Selecting a lower quality can help speed up the upload process. If you created this video using our story feature, click Closed Captions to choose whether to use the video script text as the closed captions. Next, select the video's visibility. Each of these visibility options is defined in the Channel and Video Visibility Settings article in our knowledge base. Finally, click Publish. The link to your uploaded video is automatically copied to your clipboard for you, and the upload opens in your browser. If you would prefer that your ScreenPal uploads do not automatically open in your browser, you can change this setting in your ScreenPal desktop preferences. Back in the desktop app, you can view a history of all the publishing you've ever done from the current device by clicking this icon and selecting History. Use these quick share icons to copy the video link, share the video to social media sites, and more. Capture, create, and share with ScreenPal.